first day I met you, I fell in love with you. You stole my heart and put the pieces back together. So here I stand, asking you to be my wife, and promise to look into your eyes just like I do now, with love and soulful amazement. I love you and our beautiful daughter. I promise to love you when the sun shines, when the rain falls, in sickness and in health. I'm going to be there and fall in love with you every day. I see now in your eyes today, tomorrow, and always. When you look at the screen, think of me and remember that I will always love you.
Michael, from the first day I met you 8 years ago, I knew you were the one for me. I was taught from a young age that when you are with the one, you'll just know. Well, I knew. You've always known how to make me happy. And on this day and every day after, I choose you to spend the rest of my life with. You're my best friend. You have always been there for me. You love me unconditionally. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. Let's do this thing, babe.